Yawning can be your nervous system's way of saying it's time to reboot, so pay attention. That's why athletes, musicians, and even soldiers report yawning right before high-focus situations. Think about it. You're about to go to war and you start yawning? Like, wow. That's your body flipping the switch, cooling the brain, sharpening focus, and priming you to perform at your absolute best. So, what looks like fatigue is actually your nervous system gearing up for action.